Good evening, everybody. My name is Jamie with Southern Breakers. Today's Sunday, December 17th, 11:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're getting ready to do eBay Mixer number 114. So I do thank everybody for joining me, as always, and good luck. Hope everybody is having a good Sunday. Alright, get this open. Let's get started. Just a reminder to those watching later, the 8-box mixer, $26.99 on the website right now, southern-breakers.com. So let's go ahead and fill that. Alright, we're going to do draft picks first. Just a reminder, with draft picks we do not ship out base, rookies, and hits only. Autos, if they're undrafted, free agent, or play for CFL, we do randomize autos. Otherwise, all cards go to the team that they currently play for. Base. Team trademarks, Max Williams. Rookies, Nelson Aguilar, Jake Waters. Base. Auto, Lorenzo Malden. Going to the Jets. Ficus 12, getting that auto, going to the Jets. Rookies, Eli Harold, TJ Clemens. Base, Stephon Diggs, rookie refractor. Rookies, Josh Harper, Paul Dawson. Base, Andre Williams, refractor. Rookies, Brashard Perriman, Tyler Lockett. Base, Josh Harper, die cut. Rookies, TJ Yeldon, Antoine Goodley. Base, blue auto, Tyler Croft. Going to the Bengals. Tyler Croft going to the Bengals. 6 of 75. 6 of 75. Going to the Bengals. Rookies, Bryce Petty, Michael Pruitt. Base, Cameron Artis-Payne, rookie refractor. Rookies, Jesse James, Sammy Coates. Base, Landon Collins, insert, stained glass. Rookies, Mariota, Mario Edwards Jr. Base. All-American, Justin Gilbert. Rookies, J.J. Nelson, Malcolm Brown. Base. Green, Andre Williams. 4 of 5. 4 of 5. Going to the Chargers. Going to the Chargers. And Kurt, 4 of 5. Andre Williams. Refractor, Matt Forte. Rookies, Dominique Brown, Buck Allen. Base. Quinn Rollins, rookie refractor. Rookies, Devontae Parker, Leo Collins. Base. And blue rookie, Gino Grissom. 48 of 75. 48 of 75 going to the Patriots. And Tyler, on to the Patriots there. Rookies, Denzel Perryman and Jordan Phillips. That is all for that. We'll do Don Russ. JD, yes. Generally speaking, I do say who won the team. Absolutely. Absolutely. Base. And I'm doing good. Thank you very much for asking. Base. Oh, base. We do ship out base for everything else. The only one we do not ship out base was just the Prism Draft picks. Etched in Time, Kurt Warner. Adrian Peterson, Craftsman. Rookie, Tyler Boyd and Laramie Tunsil, green rookies, and Larry Sonka, green. And our auto is Correa for the Ravens. For the Ravens. (2017) playoff. Base. Delano Hill, rookie. Boss Hogs, David Johnson. First down, Derek Carr going to the Raiders. 61 of 99. 61 of 99 going to Kurt. And base. Base. Deshaun Hall, rookie. Boss Hogs, Derrick Henry. Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins. 44 of 299, kickoff. Dolphins, JD in the Dolphins. And base. Base. Joe Williams, rookie. Thunder and Lightning, Dak Prescott, Zeke. Gridiron Force, Khalil Mack. And base. Base. Brendan Langley, rookie. Stargazing, Matt Stafford. Playoff Momentum, Julio Jones. And base. Base. Josh Jones, rookie. Richard Sherman, Gridiron Force. And our patch is Julio Jones going to the Falcons and Ficus. 40 of 99. 40 of 99. Solid color patch. One second. And base. Base. Cooper Kupp, rookie. Dak Prescott, Stargazing. Flea Flicker, Luck, Gore, Hilton, and base. Base. Derek Barnett, rookie. Thunder and Lightning, Jay Ajayi, Jarvis Landry. J.J. Watt, Gridiron Force, and base. Base. Nathan Peterman, rookie. Stargazing, Big Ben. Playoff Momentum, Doug Baldwin. And base. Base. Flea Flicker, Baldwin, Wilson, and Rawls. 158 of 199. Going to Seattle. And Kurt. James Conner, rookie. Flea Flicker, Prescott, Bryant, Elliott. Boss Hogs, Melvin Gordon. And base. Base. Rookie, Ryan Switzer. Flea Flicker, Freeman, Jones, Ryan. And our auto is Marshawn Lattimore for the Saints. And Tyler. 58 of 199. Marshawn Lattimore. And base. Kickoff, 58 of 299, Ryan Anderson. Going to the Redskins. And Dwayne. O.J. Howard, rookie. Jerry Rice, Playoff Momentum. Eric Berry, Gridiron Force, and base. Oh, that's a good thing, Tyler, if it's not a bad thing. Base. Chris Carson, rookie. Marion, Stargazing. Flea Flicker, Brown, Roethlisberger, and Bell. And base. Alright, next we are going to open Prism. Let's see, there we go. Base. Eric Ebron for the Lions. Orange. 128 of 275. 128 of 275. Going to the Lions. And Rodney Run. Rookies, Marcus May, Jonathan Allen, Refractor, Carlos Hyde, and Sheldon Richardson. Base. Leonard Fournette, rookie introductions. Orange Buda Baker, going to the Cardinals, and Ficus. 228 of 275. Rookie, Ardarius Stewart, Noah Brown, Refractor, Derrick Henry, and Alshon Jeffries. Base. Auto, Carl Lawson, going to the Bengals. Bengals, you know who you are. On to the Bengals. Not numbered. Rookie, Jamal Williams, Tre'Davious White, and Refractor, Jared Goff, Kyle Rudolph. Base. Michael Strahan, class of 2014. Tre'Davious White, Prism. Wave. 6 of 149 going to the Bills and Big Bentleys. Rookie, Joe Williams, Kareem Hunt, Refractor, LeGarrette Blount, and Derek Carr. Base. There's Hayward Bay for the Steelers, blue. 5 5 of 199. 5 of 199 going to the Steelers. Sports Fantasy, that is you. Rookies, Zay Jones, Adoree Jackson, Refractor, Patrick Peterson, Tyrod Taylor. Base. Illumination, Trubisky going to the Bears. Bears is Gilmy. Trubisky, Illumination. Deshaun Kaiser. That is the purple kaleidoscopes. Oh, this one is the not kaleidoscope. 6 of 75. 6 of 75 going to the Browns. Thomas got the Browns. Rookies, Isaiah McKenzie, Tucker Charlton, Refractor, Andy Dalton, Andrew Luck. Rookies, I mean, no, not rookies, base. Amari Cooper. Going to the Raiders. Red Prism. 8 of 49 going to the Raiders. And Kurt. Rookies. Garyon Conley. Matthew Days. Refractor. Torrey Smith. And Kenny Stills. Base. Larry Fitzgerald. That is the kaleidoscopes there. Larry Fitzgerald. 96 of 99. Going to Ficus. Rookies. Juju Smith-Schuster, Nathan Peterman. Refractors. Von Miller and Dion Lewis. Base. Chesson for the Chiefs camo. 23 of 25 going to the Chiefs. And Gilman getting that 23 of 25 camo. Jude Chesson. Rookies, Solomon Thomas, Sidney Jones, Refractor, Bruce Ellington, and Russell Wilson. Base. Auto Solomon Thomas for the 49ers. For the 49ers. And Thomas, 4 of 49. 4 of 49. Rookies, Carlos Henderson, Muhammad, Refractor, Willie Snead, and Jeremy Langford. Base. Allen Robinson, orange for the Jaguars. 211 of 275. Gilmy. Allen Robinson. Rookies, Alvin Kamara, Christian McCaffrey. Refractors, Vance McDonald, Bobby Wagner. And our last pack of Prisms. Base. Auto is Kenny Galladay going to the Lions. Rodney, Kenny Galladay auto. 128 of 149. Rookies, Josh Mullen, Josh Reynolds, Refractor, Jamison Crowder, and Blake Bortles. And finally, XR. TJ Logan, rookie. Rookie, Isaiah McKenzie. And base. Dak Prescott, Notorious. 9 of 10. 9 of 10 going to the Cowboys. Displaced Texan, Notorious Dak Prescott, 9 of 10. Chad Hansen, 152 of 199 going to the Jets. Ficus. Cardinals, Patrick Peterson, 33 of 299. Ficus. Broncos, Emmanuel Sanders, 74 of 299. And Dwayne. Packers, 120 of 199. Josh Jones. And WV. Jumbo Materials, Jamal Williams for the Packers, 21 of 25. 21 of 25 going to WV. 2-color patch. 2-color patch, 21 of 25. Carlos Henderson for the Broncos, solid color patch auto, going to Dwayne. 67 of 199. And finally, John Ross for the Bengals, 43 of 49, clear cut auto, going to the Bengals. I'm gonna go ahead and put the list up here. If you guys give me just a second so everybody can double check that. Okay, my list isn't working right now, so Alrighty, I will go ahead and get this video uploaded. Remember guys, this right here is the 8-box mixer, $26.99 on the website, southern-breakers.com. So let's go ahead and fill that. 22 spots left. Let's go ahead and get it done.